Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati K.S., Assistant Professor, Department of Rashastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will deal regarding the Mana Paribhasha, continuation of the last session. So I had dealt regarding the Magadamana in the last session. So here today we can deal regarding the shortened version of the Magadamana. So shorter version of Magadamana. So in Charankar Pratham Khand was chapter 26th shloka. It was mentioned Masha Tanka Akshabilvani Kudavam Prastham Adakam Rashir Koni Kari Keti Etotara Chaturgunaha. So here 4 Masha is equal to 1 Tanka. So it is nothing but like equals to like 3 grams, and 4 Tanka is equal to 1 Aksha, which is equal to 12 grams, and 4 Aksha is equal to 1 Bilva, which is equal to 48 grams, and 4 Bilva is equal to 1 Kudava, which is equal to 192 grams, and 4 Kudava is equal to 1 Prastha, which is equal to 768 grams, and 4 Prastha is equal to 1 Adaka, which is equal to 3 kgs, and 4 Adaka is equal to 1 Rashi, which is equal to 12.288 kgs, and 4 Rashi is equal to 1 Droni, which is equal to 49.152 kgs, and 4 Droni is equal to 1 Khari, which equal to the 196.6 kgs. Next, coming to the Kalingamana, that is nothing but the Sharangatharukta Pautava Mana. So here, according to this Kalingamana, here 12 Gaura Sharshapa is equal to 1 Yava, and 2 Yava is equal to 1 Kunja, that is nothing but Rati, and which equals to 125 mg, and 3 Kunja is equal to 1 Valla, which is equal to 375 mg, and 8 Kunja is equal to 1 Masha. 8 Kuncha is equal to 1 Masha is nothing but which equals to 1 grams, and 4 Masha is equal to 1 Shana, and this Shana is also called as Nishka or the Tanka, and which is equals to the 4 grams, and 6 Masha is equal to 1 Kadhyana, which equals to 6 grams, and our 10 Masha is equal to 1 Karsha. 10 Masha is equal to 1 Karsha is equals to 10 grams, and 4 Karsha is equal to 1 Pala, that equals to 10 Shana, that is 40 grams, and 4 Pala is equal to 1 Kudava, that is equals to 160 grams. And next, deal regarding the Dhruvayamana. So Dhruvayamana is also called as the Taralamana. So these are the measures of the capacity. So Dhruvayamana or Taralamana, nothing but the same, and these are the measures of the capacity. So here in this, the smallest unit of the Dhruvayamana is a Bindu. So here one Bindu is a drop of the liquid which falls from the index finger. So after it is like lifted from the water. So Dhruvayamana is also called as the Taralamana, and nothing but the measures of the capacity. Here and here the smallest unit is called as the Bindu, and one Bindu means a drop of the liquid which falls from the index finger after it is lifted from the water. So here Sharangatara defines Bindu in the Nasyadhyaya of Uttarakhanda, so as the quantity of Snehadravya which falls soon after lifting the index finger, which is immersed up to the two joint in the sneha. So here 8 bindu is equal to 1 shana is nothing but the a touchstone. 8 bindu is 1 shana, nothing but a touchstone, and 32 bindu is 1 shukti, nothing but an oyster shell. 1 shukti is nothing but an oyster shell, and 64 bindu is called one pani shukti, is nothing but the hand. And kudava patra, so kudava patra is nothing but a vessel measuring 4 angula in length, breadth and the depth. Next, coming to the Payamana. So Payamana or the linear measures or the measurement of the length. So here 1 angula is said to be the basic unit here, and explained as the length of 8 eva, that is barley, brought together in one thread or placed one on besides the other. So Payamana is nothing but the linear measures or the measure of the length. So 1 angula is said to be the basic unit, and here explain that what 8 yava or the barley is brought together in a one thread or placed on the besides the other. So here 1 by 8th of the angula is 1 yavodara and nothing but 0.24 centimeter, and 1 angula is 8 yava. 1 by 8th angula is 1 yavodara and 1 angula is 8 yava, brought together in a thread. Okay, and 12 angula is 1 with a C, that is 9 inches, nothing but 22.86 centimeter, and 22 angula is 1 aratni, that is 16.5 inches, that is nothing but 41.91 centimeter, and 24 angula is 1 hasta, that is 18 inches, nothing but 45.72 centimeter, and 1 rupahasta or Rajahasta is equal to 22 inches. 1 Rupahasta or Rajahasta is equal to 22 inches, nothing but 55.88 centimeters, and 4 Hasta is 1 Yama, 1 Vyama, and nothing but 72 inches, which equals to 182.88 centimeters. Next, coming to the Kalamana. So Kalamana is nothing but the measured units of the time are mentioned at different instances in the classics, and they may be put together as the below. So like here, the basic unit includes like Nimesha and the Unmesha. So Nimesha is nothing but the closing of the eyelids, and Unmesha is nothing but the opening of the eyelids. Together is known as one matra kala. So basic unit is the one matra kala, nothing but it includes the Nimesha and the Unmesha. Nimesha is nothing but the closing of the eyelids, and Unmesha is nothing but the opening of the eyelids. And here one kshana, that is 4 by 5th of the second, that is nothing but an instant, a moment. One kshana is 4 by 5th of a second, nothing but an instant, a moment. And 2 kshana is called 1 lava, and 2 lava is 1 nimesha, and 3 nimesha is 1 kasta, that is 1 by 30th of the kala, and 30 kasta is 1 kala, that is 2 minutes 20 seconds. 30 kasta is 1 kala, that is 2 minutes 20 seconds, and 20 kala plus 3 kasta is 1 muhurta, that is 48 minutes, and half muhurta is 1 khati, that is 24 minutes, and 30 muhurta is 1 ahoratra, that is 24 hours, and 1 yama or 1 prahara is 3 hours, and 15 ahoratra is 1 paksha, that is 15 days, and 2 paksha is 1 masha, and that is 1 masa, that is 30 days. Masa is nothing but like month, and 2 masa is 1 rutu, that is 60 days, and 3 rutu is 1 ayana, that is 6 months, and 2 ayana is 1 samvatsara, that is 12 months, and 5 samvatsara is 1 yuga, that is 5 years. And next, coming to the metric system. So in the metric system, so in that, the measures of the mass, measures of the capacity, and the linear measures. So here in the measures of the mass, so here 1 grain is equal to the 64.79 mgs, and 15.4 grain is equal to 1 gram, and 1000 mg is equal to 1 gram, and 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams, and 1 pound is equal to 0.454 kgs, and 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg, and 1 pound is equal to 12 ounce, and 100 kgs is equal to 1 quintal, and 10 quintal is equal to 1 ton. And next, coming to the measures of the capacity. So in that, one drop is equal to uh, 0.06 ml, and 1 ml is equal to 1 by 1000 liter, and 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, and 1 teaspoonful is equal to 5 ml, and 1 tablespoonful is equal to 15 ml, and 1 ounce is equal to 30 ml, 20 ounce is equal to 1 pint, and 1 wine glass is equal to 60 ml, and 1 teacup is equal to 120 ml, and 1 tumbler is equal to 240 ml. And next, coming to the linear measures. So in that, linear measures nothing but the measures of the length. So in that, 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter, and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, and 2.5 centimeter is equal to 1 inch, and 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, and 3 feet is equal to 1 yard, and 1 furlong is equal to 220 yards, and 8 furlong is equal to 1 mile, nothing but like it is nearly 1.6 kilometers. So this is regarding the Mana Paribhasha. So if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.